Happy birthday to you. This is Oranjestad, the capital of Aruba, Orange City for you English speakers, and she's celebrating her 200th anniversary. What her name lacks in citrusy substance, it makes up for as the title of the Dutch monarchy, Huizen van Oranje-Nassau, House of Orange-Nassau. The monarchy was established between 1813 and 1815. In those days, development came via mandate from Curaçao, the central governing body of the Dutch Caribbean colonies. Aruba was a colonial domain that served as a hub for horse trade, hence the name Playa de Caballos, or Horses Bay, prior to Oranjestad. According to research, around October 1822, the village on Horses Bay still had no name, no Dutch name to be more accurate. The first documented instance of Oranjestad is from 1827, when the area was being partitioned into neighborhoods. But popular consensus is that the town got its name in August of 1824, after a meeting between the governor of the Dutch colonies and the mayor of Aruba regarding the discovery of gold earlier that year.
I love gold!
Now, I would like to make it extremely clear that never in the history of Arubiandom have we ever called the capital Oranjestad. We Arubians know it lovingly as Playa, an affectionate name for the beach, the bay, and the capital. But hey, for what it's worth, pa bien Oranjestad, we love you regardless.